Hello, teacher. Hello, everyone. My name is Samuel Torres. Today, I would like to present my homework listening and speaking strategies for a complex exam. So, I would like starting by defining why it's important to study these strategies. These strategies could help us over the process in order to activate the prior knowledge. Without prior knowledge, build meaning over the process, as I said, because we are totally aware what was understood and always taking into account the context. Today, I'm going to present to you two strategies for listening and two strategies for speaking. Let's start by the first listening strategy. In this case, the selective listening strategy. And well, this is more has to do with what we ignore and what we pay attention. In this way, we are reducing the response options, and this is good because we could uh, expand more information when we have less topics for talking. Ignoring the information that don't gonna be used is practical in those situations that we need to attack the important points. In this case, in these cases, less is more. The second strategy of listening is listening for discourse markers. This strategy focuses on identifying the connectors in the speech, like, for example, on the other hand, in conclusion, for example, at first, this kind of connectors let us know when the speech gonna change and let us know when stopping to thinking about the previous idea and preparing to us to thinking in the next idea. Uh, think about it. If you have 4 days for 4 units to study, you're going to use each day for each unit, right? If you are in the third day still studying the unit one, you are doing something bad. The same is for listening. You need to know how stopping to think in the previous idea. This is this is good paying attention when the connectors are used for uh, being prepared for the next idea. Sorry. Let's start with the speaking strategies. The first is circumlocution, and well, this strategy is focused in in explain terms when you don't remember the exact term. I don't know if you are talking about bones or muscles. If you don't remember, like for example, the scapula bone or the biceps uh, muscle, you could say the bone behind my arm or the muscle in my arm. Uh, this could be good are uh, when you are about to lose the flow. So well, it's good because you don't lose the flow, but it's bad because there is a lack of professionalism here. The last speaking strategy, it's the organization in our response. And well, this is good because we could do more coherent responses, more current speech when we do this hierarchy of ideas, or when we start by the ideas that let us develop the rest of ideas. So this is more of than prioritizing topics, knowing what topics go first. This this kind of strategies help us in order to organize our study and organize how we could respond. The quality in our context of a exam could be determinating for us. That was my homework. Thank you so much for your attention.